In today's fast-paced world, many people dream of finding ways to make money from the comfort of their own homes. Whether you are a stay-at-home parent looking for extra income or someone tired of the daily commute, there are numerous opportunities available that can help you turn your dreams into reality. In this article, we will explore 10 proven ways to make money from home, providing you with concrete takeaways and practical advice. Freelancing. Tap into your skills and expertise. Freelancing has become increasingly popular in recent years as more companies seek specialized talent on a project-by-project basis. If you have marketable skills such as writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing expertise, freelancing could be an excellent option for you. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide, allowing you to showcase your abilities and earn money on your terms. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge. If you have a passion for teaching and possess expertise in a particular subject area, online tutoring is an ideal way to make money from home. With advancements in technology and the rise of virtual classrooms, platforms like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors enable individuals to connect with students globally through video calls or pre-recorded lessons. E-commerce. Turn your hobby into profit. Do you have a knack for crafting unique jewelry or creating beautiful artwork? Consider starting your own e-commerce business. Websites like Etsy provide an easy-to-use platform where crafters can sell their handmade goods directly to customers worldwide. With some marketing efforts and dedication towards building your brand presence online, this venture can quickly become profitable. Blogging. Share your passion. If writing is your forte and there is a topic close to your heart that others may find interesting too, why not start a blog? Blogging allows you to share your thoughts, experiences, and expertise with a wide audience. By monetizing your blog through affiliate marketing or sponsored content, you can generate income while doing what you love. Virtual assistants. Support businesses remotely. Many businesses are now embracing the concept of virtual assistants to handle administrative tasks remotely. If you have excellent organizational skills and attention to detail, offering virtual assistant services could be an ideal way for you to make money from home. Platforms like Time, etc. and Zirtual connect virtual assistants with clients seeking support in various areas such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and conducting research. Online surveys. Share your opinion. While it may not provide a substantial income stream on its own, participating in online surveys can be an easy way to earn some extra cash from home. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie reward users for sharing their opinions on various topics or completing specific tasks. Social media management. Harness the power of digital marketing. If you have a knack for social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram and understand how they work, consider becoming a social media manager. Many small businesses lack the time or expertise needed to effectively manage their online presence. By offering your services as a social media manager, you can help these businesses grow while earning money from the comfort of your own home. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services on behalf of companies through personalized referral links on your website or social media channels. When someone makes a purchase using one of your referral links, you earn a commission. This method is particularly effective if you already have an established online presence with engaged followers who trust your recommendations. Stock photography. Turn your passion into profitable images. Are photography skills part of your repertoire? Consider selling stock photos online. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow photographers to upload their images for licensing purposes. Each time someone purchases a license to use your photo, you earn a royalty fee. Online coaching. Share your expertise. If you have extensive knowledge and experience in a particular field, consider offering online coaching services. Whether it's fitness training, life coaching, or business consulting, platforms like Coach.me and Udemy provide opportunities for individuals to connect with clients seeking guidance and support. In conclusion, there are countless proven ways to make money from home that can help turn your dreams into reality. From freelancing and e-commerce to blogging and online coaching, the possibilities are endless. By exploring these 10 options, you can find the perfect fit for your skills, interests, and lifestyle while earning income from the comfort of your own home. So why wait? Stop dreaming about financial freedom and start taking action today.